Busy, ang tagal mo. Ano bang ginagawa mo? Teka lang kasi naglilista ako ng mga sasali sa paluwagan. Sasali ka ba? Hoy te, FYI, masikip pa nga to nga ni. Si Gemma isali mo dyan. For sure maluwag na yun, daming lalaki yun eh. Ano ba iniisip mo? Te, yung paluwagan, yun yung hulugan ng pera para kapag sahod mo, meron ka makukuha. Kumbaga savings, ganon. Busy, naboboard ako. Tara, laro tayo. Tara, anong laro? Okay. Bibigyan mo ako ng mga bagay na sasabihin ko. G? Game! Magbigay ng mga bagay na nakatayo. Ano ba? Bakit parang ang bastos naman? Bakit? Bagay na nakatayo. Bahay, building, statwa. Pinagsasabi mo. Besi, parang may napapansin ako sa'yo. Ha? Ano yon? Parang ang dry mo. Tuyot, ganun. Walang kabasa-basa. Uy, kakadilig ko lang kahapon. Anong tuyot ka dyan? Ano iniisip mo? Sabi ko yung balat mukha ko, dry na. Minsan oily naman. Tapos dehydrated patignan. Alam mo, mag-Dr. Leo facial cleanser ka kaya? Gently removes dirt, blackheads, and whiteheads, keeping your pores clean dahilan para mag-less visible over time. Nakakatulong din to para ma-reduce Tagal naman itong sagutin. Excited na ako eh. Hello, ano yun? Babe! Buti naman sumagot ka na. Ayun, so, may free time ka ba ngayon? Gala naman tayo, labas tayo, libre kita. Game? Tara! Sorry, may lakad na kami ni Eloise mamaya. Maybe next time. Ay, di sakto. Sama na lang ako sa inyo. Hello? 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 Ay, be, tanda mo yung umalis tayo nung nakaraan. Tapos nakita mo din siya dun, di ba? Uy, oo, be. Tapos hindi ko talaga bet yung suot niya that time. Hoy, ano yung pinag-uusapan nyo? Yung umalis kami nung nakaraan. Anyways, nakita mo yung kasama niya that time. Si Jake yun, di ba? In fairness, nag-know up talaga siya. Pero hindi ka na-expect kasi paano nung nakaraan na. Hello, te? Uy, babe, kumusta? Napatawag ka? Papasama sana ako sa'yo today. May bibilihin lang naman ako. True ba? Aayain mo ako lumabas? Yeah. Wala kasi si Athena eh. So wala akong makakasama ngayon. Sige. Go lang. See you. Hello, Eloise? Eto na, patapos ako mag-ayos. See you. Sorry, wag na pala. Free na kasi si Athena ngayon eh. So masasamahan niya na ako. So hindi na tayo tuloy ngayon. Maybe next time na lang. May t-shirt akong ipapainggit! Ba't dilaw yung ngipin ko? Kasi pilo ko lang. Check muna natin yung color blue. Ayan, eto. Eto siya. Ay, ang pogi mo. Ito naman yung kanilang sketchy doodle na tinatawag. Print niya sa unahan, very minimal. And dito sa likod, malaki na siya dahil ang ganda. Very fashionable, very aesthetic. Pinili ko is take it easy. Sa mga trials, sa mga problems, take it easy. Andiyan na yan. Super catchy, super nakakapukaw ng paningin, ganun. Kumbaga pag dumaan ka sa isang grupo, tapos mapapatingin sila, ang ganda ng t-shirt nun ah. So, dito tayo sa color black. Ito siya. Ayun din, andito yung print sa gilid, sa likod. Ayan. Ito yung mga Bible verse. Super banal. Yung pinili ko is peace. Peace is not something you wish for. It is something you make, something you are, something you do, and something you give away. So tama naman, di ba? Yung peace, nasa sa atin yan. Hawak natin yan kung paano natin gagawin, kung paano natin susundin, kung paano natin pipiliin. Ito talaga yung pinaka-pinupuri ko sa t-shirt na to. Talagang hindi binasta, pinaghandaan, detalyado. Hoy! Ayan, sa mga mahilig pumorma dyan, mga aesthetic, mga fashionable, mga street guys, street girls, pin-provide ko na yan sa baba sa yellow basket. I-click nyo lang yan para ma-avail nyo to. Get yours! Update lang mga human being, may resulta na! Dahil nga sa paggamit ko nitong Centella Peeling Serum ng Jimilan, wala pang isang linggo, nakita ko na agad yung resulta. Nag-bright, nag-glow, nag-smooth, nabawasan yung pagka-oily ng skin ko, and that's my honest review. Grabe, pansin na pansin ko talaga na nag-blur yung mga pores ko. Yung acne marks, hindi ko na sasabihin, kita nyo naman na wala talaga siya. Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyo na meron na kasi itong 15% alpha hydroxy acid. Yun yung isa sa pinakamagandang ingredient na tumutulong para mabawasan yung pagka-oily skin natin. At kapag nabawasan yung pagka-oiliness ng skin, sabay-sabay na pong mawawala yung ating dark spots, acne marks, whiteheads, blackheads, at magre-resulta yun ng glowing skin, magbabright yung skin, smooth, at mag-glow. Gaya nito! O isa pang fact, yung alpha hydroxy acid, they gently exfoliate sa top layer ng ating skin. So yung mga old cells is pinapalitan niya ng bago. So the clearer cells can come through faster. Again, sa mga human being dyan na nagsastruggle sa oily skin at dull skin, I genuinely recommend this. I-try nyo muna bago nyo ako i-judge. Get yours!
Hey, why are you laughing though? You still owe me my $100 though.
To me, aren't you wearing my drawers? You're wearing my drawers, bro. Oh, that's green.
Green.
How about this one?
Hey, what the fuck you looking at though?
No,
What you doing
bread.
walking around over there? Unemployed as shit, boy.
You probably got
don't
no
a
money.
job?
Hey, let's go
You don't got
thousand
a
for
job,
thousand.
Thousand for thousand. Mill for mill.
Hey.
The fuck mill for mill.
Hey, car for car.
House for house.
I got a Lambo.
House for house though.
I
I
got-
got
I
a
got a
Rari.
Lambo.
Hey, make sure you give me my keys to my Benz though.
Yeah.
Look right there, bro. Yo. Look, bro. He's bro. Yo, look. Look right here, right here. Right there, bro. Look. Right here.
What?
Not doing it anymore, bro. I told you to look. He's not doing it.
Bro, she fucking cheated on me, bro.
Yo. Let's fucking kill her, bro.
What?
I have a plan. Let's
Okay.
kidnap her, okay?
What?
And then let's take her to a mountain and just beat the fuck out of her.
Wait, we're still
That's
talking
step
things
one.
through.
Yo, chill, bro.
Okay,
That's
okay.
step one. Next step, we're going for the bloodline. We're going for her mom.
Yo,
dad.
chill, bro. We're still
Dude,
talking things through,
I don't give
bro.
a fuck, bro. She's annoying and like her face is squishing anyways. I don't even know why you're with her.
Why are you talking about her
She's
mom?
ugly, bro. Just so punchable. Like you can just fucking punch her face, bro. And then after that, we bring her back to her house. She doesn't have a family anymore. Her whole life's fucked up, right?
Bro.
She's gonna be crying and shit.
Bro.
It's a perfect plan. Am I tripping? Let's ruin her
No,
life.
you're doing no.
She
You're
hurt you,
tripping,
bro. I
No,
care
no.
for you. You're my friend. Yo, take her credit card, bro.
Bro,
She's
that's
been working hard, right?
Yeah,
Yo,
she has been.
Let's put her at nothing, bro. Let's make sure she has nothing. Yo, I want her life to be ruined.
Like, what do you want to spend it on?
On anything. Let's go to Vegas right now. Let's gamble it all the way.
Her money?
Let's
Oh,
do
I
it
don't
right now.
gamble.
Yo, 5,000 on Kalshi right now.
No, that's
Let's
too
put every-
much. That's too much. We can't do that
What
to
do you
her.
mean, bro?
We can't do that to her.
Who cares about her?
She's still my.
Oh, that was so good. Thanks for the drink, by the way. I'll get us next time. You know.
You always say that.
I got us next time when I get a job. You know, like I've been going to like interviews and stuff. So
Yeah, you've been saying that.
no. Like I think I got one tomorrow, so I should get a job like maybe tomorrow.
So what are we gonna do now?
You know, I'm a little hungry. Like I was thinking like potato corner sounds so good. It would just go perfectly with this, but I don't really have the money.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it does sound good though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I don't know. Like it sounds good, right? Like
Yeah.
if you're craving it, I don't really got the money. You know, like I don't really got the funds, but I mean like you like maybe like, I don't know who else can pay. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. Again, you know.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good.
Dude, what are you doing? Let's go.
I can't go on the ride, dude.
Why?
I told you already. I have to hold the bag.
Oh my gosh, you're just scared. Stop
I'm not
being
scared. Don't say that, dude.
Then what?
What do you mean? You think